It is a national government agency to train on technologies of building, highways and roads generally. And they provide particular training around labor-based. So for instance, the use of cobblestone technology that you have seen us use effectively here at the old market in Nanyuki, at Weumirerie and in Romuruti. And we want to expand that. So this center here will provide training for thousands of young people in Laikipia, in Meru, in Nyeri, in surrounding counties, to be able to give them the skill set necessary to build roads using labor-based technologies. So we welcome them here. Today is a brief function to inaugurate the site. The reasonable size piece of land that they will continue to build. As you have seen, they are beneficiaries also of a regional program run by the Ministry of Education with resources borrowed from the World Bank for improving skills for transformation.